Images from microscope and etc. devices can be processed in batch using loop in macroscript with ImageJ, but the irregular name of the images always cause a problem to fit the images into the loop of the microscript. In this video, it will be shown how to use the advanced renamer to rename the images so that to make it pattern and can be fit into the loop for microscript. Firstly, open an Excel. Generate a list of number. As long as possible. Save the list as the CSV file. Please note here, it should be saved with the CSV rather than the CSV UTF-8. This one will cause problem. Just save it as CSV. Okay. Now, let's see our images. You can see that for this set of 10 magnification pictures, there's a lot of name here. And such sets of names, though it's kind of pattern, still cannot be fit into the loop for macroscript in ImageJ. You can open one of the images. You can see there's a description given by the microscope saying how these images are taken. And the images of different channels. Now please note that to fit the images into an ImageJ loop, the images must be taken into order. That is saying that it should be always taken first the green channel, then the red channel, then the blue channel, or first the red, then the green, then the blue. This sequence should be all the same for each images inside each folder. Why is it so slow? We can see that the first one is acting in green staining. The second one is also pointing in red staining. Third one is the nucleus in blue staining. Let's open another image. You can see the first one is still acting, which means it's still in green channel. Then the second one is still pointing, which means it's in red. And the third one is still the nucleus, which means it's still in blue. Okay. That's the preconditions that it can be fit into the loop for microscript in ImageJ. Now let's do the renaming. Close the number table that we just created. Open the advanced renamer. Select the folder panel. From the folder panel, we can see that let's open our images, the folder. Select the folder. Here, notice we select rename folders. And then we can see here's our images. Add selected. Add subfolders, don't add the root folders. And then sequence them in the order of name. Now we can see there's both the secondary subfolder and the territory subfolders. Press Ctrl Shift and End to select all the territory subfolders and press delete. We just want the secondary subfolders. And from here, the remaining method list, add method list, load list, load the CSV. No, not this one. This one. Load the CSV table we just created. We can see from here. Now, we can see here, after loading the table, we can see here is a list of new folder names. That is in the same sequence corresponding to the old folder names. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, before doing the renaming, select list here. Save. Now we are saving which is the old name corresponding in sequence to the new name. That help us to rename the image after process back to the original name, which gives us the information about how what what the images of the sample is taken from, the condition of the samples. Okay, let's see, this one is plus rename with 10 magnification. Oh. Now press start batch. Start. You can see there's an arrow. See what's going on. Oh, we opened this image. That's why. So when it occurs an error, say undo previous batch. Undo this list. This occurs from time to time. Now let's redo it again. Here's our 10. And see if we are still opening something like ImageJ that keeps it. And let's check, is the video still on? Yep, the video is still on. And let's load it again. Let's select it, add subfolders, sequencing it with the name sequence, remove the territory subfolders. Now we can see that because the list has already been loaded, it's here. Now list, save it here, cover it, start batch. Oh, that's quite strange. Okay, that's just once, which means we can do it handily. Just go. Okay. From this one, we can see that here is all how we rename this folder. If we open currently the name of all the subfolders, we can see that here this one's, this equals to the 1, this equals to the 2, this equals to the 3. Okay. Let's do the same one for the 20 magnification. Select it, subfolders. List, save. Start patch. Okay, done. Now all our images are renamed, and its older name, the former name in sequence, is stored in this text file.